The Industrial Revolution, spanning the late 18th to early 19th centuries, transformed business, industry, and society. It marked the shift from agrarian economies, where work was done by hand, to industrial economies powered by machines and mass production, reshaping the world's social and economic fabric. Before the Industrial Revolution, most people lived in rural areas, working on farms or in small cottage industries. Manufacturing was done on a small scale, with artisans crafting goods by hand. However, technological innovations in the 18th century set the stage for dramatic change. The steam engine, developed by James Watt, was one of the most significant inventions of this period. It provided a new, efficient source of power, fueling machinery in factories and enabling large-scale manufacturing. The textile industry was among the first transformed, with machines like the spinning jenny and power loom producing textiles faster and cheaper, spurring growth in factory towns. The Industrial Revolution brought new business practices and organizational structures. Factories, which centralized production, became the dominant industrial model. This shift led to urbanization, as people moved from the countryside to work in factories. Cities like Manchester and Birmingham expanded rapidly, becoming industrial hubs. The demand for raw materials and transportation grew alongside factories. The iron and steel industries developed to meet this need. Innovations like the Bessemer process enabled mass steel production, crucial for machinery, railways, and bridges. The railway system's expansion facilitated the transport of goods and connected markets and communities, allowing businesses to operate on a national or even global scale. The rise of factories and mass production significantly impacted the labor force. The demand for workers led to the growth of the industrial working class. Factory work was often harsh, with long hours, low wages, and dangerous conditions. Child labor was widespread, with children working in factories, mines, and workshops. These conditions eventually sparked social movements and labor reforms aimed at improving workers' lives. The Industrial Revolution introduced new business forms, such as joint stock companies and corporations, allowing for pooled capital and resources, enabling businesses to undertake large-scale projects and expand operations. The stock market became a key component of the industrial economy, with banking and finance emerging as essential elements, providing the capital needed for industrial growth. While the Industrial Revolution brought unprecedented economic growth and technological advancement, it also had significant social and environmental consequences. Rapid urbanization led to overcrowded cities, poor living conditions, and public health challenges. Pollution from factories and coal burning became a major issue, contributing to environmental degradation and health problems. Despite these challenges, the Industrial Revolution laid the foundation for the modern industrialized world. It transformed production methods, changed the nature of work, and reshaped the global economy. The innovations and advancements of this period continue to influence business practices and economic systems today. Looking back, the Industrial Revolution set the stage for technological advancements and economic structures that define our world. Its legacy is evident in the factories, cities, and industries that continue to drive economic growth and innovation. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in history, transitioning the world from craftsmanship to industry, forever altering the course of human history.